Okay, we got another one on the list. We got a leak from a Takeuchi skid steer. It's leaking right there. It looks like a fuel line came all the way off, actually. Let's double check. Let's see, maybe I can not lift up my rod. Just get the fuel line back on. Oh, I dropped my phone. Let's see if I can place this right here where you guys can watch. There you go. Got a rock off the screen. It's making it zoom in. Yeah, that fuel line's fine. It just popped off. Okay, let me get my pliers. So what this tells me is that a piece of brush, one of these bushes, came under whenever he was going, and it grabbed the fuel line and ripped it off. My bad. Smacked the shit out of that, huh? So it grabbed the fuel line and ripped it off. So now what we're gonna do is put it back on. Get her good and tight. Make my pliers a little smaller because I gotta get this off of there. There we go. Now let's push the hose all the way on. The hose all the way on there. Okay. It's a little tight up on, okay. Yeah, well, let's see if I can get a little more. Move the clamp back. The more on, the better. I was gonna take the rope off right now, but to be honest, I don't think it needs it. Ooh, that got us good, huh? There we go. And just like that, in a whole 3 minutes, we fixed it. Awesome. So yeah, there it is. We're going to fire this girl up real quick. Make sure she runs. Oh, this was a fluke. So let's see. I hear the clacker clacking. Gotta let some fuel get back there because obviously it's probably not primed anymore. Oh, it's out of fuel now. It doesn't leak everything it had in it. Alright, so yeah, if you notice, she's out of fuel. It's been sitting here this whole time just draining. So yeah, obviously we'll get some fuel in here. We'll fire her up. We'll test run her again. So I hope this was helpful for someone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, see you guys next time.